Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of data analytics, and I'm here to share with you some of the best YouTube channels to help you level up your skills, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Data analytics is a powerful tool that's transforming industries, and these channels offer a wealth of free, high-quality content to get you started. So, grab your notebooks and get ready to learn. Channel 1. Pawan Lalwani. Pawan Lalwani's channel is like a goldmine for those taking their first steps into the world of data analytics. In his videos, Pawan explains things in a simple and engaging manner, making even difficult concepts easy to understand. Whether you're just starting out or want to jump into more advanced fields, like machine learning, it's got you covered. From the basics of Excel and SQL to the more complex world of data science, Pawan breaks it all down into manageable steps, making learning a breeze for anyone. Channel 2 SQ Tech. English. If you are keen to learn through step-by-step tutorials and hands-on projects, SQ Tech. English is the best YouTube channel for you. They provide easy-to-follow courses on key data analytics tools such as Power BI, Tableau, and Python. The way they organize their content makes it ideal for anyone looking to make a straightforward journey to mastering all of these skills. Check out his channel if you are looking for a clear and structured way to learn data analytics. Alex the Analyst. Alex the Analyst is a dedicated channel aimed at helping you secure your ideal data analyst job, offering useful tips on crafting resumes, preparing for interviews, and understanding the data analytics field and the results. Alex provides practical insights to guide you through the process. With his encouraging and supportive approach, you'll be motivated and inspired as you pursue your career goals in data analytics. Join Alex on his journey to success. Codebasics. Codebasics stands out as a hub for those wanting to master data analytics through coding. Specializing in Python, the go-to language for data science, they offer in-depth tutorials that cater to beginners and beyond. With accessible instructors and hands-on exercises, Codebasics makes learning to code a breeze. The practical nature of their lessons equips you with the skills you need to tackle real-world challenges, ensuring you not only understand theory, but can apply it effectively. Channel 5. Rishabh Mishra. Rishabh Mishra's channel is a treasure trove for those who love to explore data visualization. On his channel, he creates stunning and easy-to-understand visuals using tools like Tableau and Power BI. Watching his videos is not only enjoyable because they look great, but also because you learn how to tell stories with data that make sense. It's like getting a fun and informative lesson on how to make data interesting and understandable. So there you have it. These are just a few of the many fantastic YouTube channels out there for data analytics enthusiasts. Remember, the best channel for you will depend on your learning style and goals. Explore, experiment, and find the ones that resonate with you. I have given channel link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more data analytics tips and tricks. I'll be back soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching.